Good habits for kids. Wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day. Take bath every day. Wear clean clothes. Do exercise every day outside in fresh air. Go to school on time. Do homework regularly. Pray to God daily. Cut your nails regularly. Wash your hands before and after eating. Always offer your seat to an elder person. Keep your surrounding clean. Always cross at the zebra crossing. Drink a lot of water. Respect your elders. Respect your teachers.